Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: How to check if two intervals overlap in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In many programming tasks, especially those involving scheduling, data analysis, or computational geometry, it's crucial to determine whether two intervals overlap. An interval, also known as a range, is defined by its start and end points. In this tutorial, we'll explore different methods to check if two intervals overlap in Python. Method 1: Comparison of endpoints. One simple way to determine if two intervals overlap is by comparing their endpoints. If the start of one interval lies between the start and end points of the other interval, or vice versa, they overlap. Method 2: Intersection length. Another approach is to calculate the length of the intersection between the two intervals. If the intersection length is greater than 0, the intervals overlap. Method 3: Using sets. You can also use sets to determine if two intervals overlap. Convert the intervals to sets of all the numbers within them and check if the intersection of these sets is non-empty. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you've learned different methods to check if two intervals overlap in Python. Whether you prefer comparing endpoints, calculating intersection length, or using sets, you can choose the method that suits your specific requirements. These techniques are useful for various applications, including scheduling algorithms, data analysis, and geometric computations. ChatGPT.